The journey of a mechanical keyboard begins with abundant raw materials, plastics, metals, and magnets, collected to endure years of typing. Engineers design precision switches and PCBs, pairing a sturdy metal plate, a microcontroller, and meticulous soldering within controlled environments. Custom keycaps are molded from resin or PBT plastics, dyed with vibrant colors, and finished with legends, while switch stems undergo rigorous life and field testing. In the assembly line, injection molded or 3D printed cases come together with mounted PCBs, snapped switches, and wired USB-C connections for reliable data transfer. The final steps flash firmware, conduct functional tests, and package the keyboard, turning a bundle of parts into a reliable tactile tool for every desk.